If you're searching for a DIY spy camera at home for free, you don't need to buy expensive CCTV cameras or hidden surveillance gadgets. You can turn an old smartphone into a fully working wireless spy camera in just a few minutes without spending any money. Most of us have an old phone lying in a drawer, and instead of letting it collect dust, you can reuse it as a smart security solution for your home, shop, pets, or even as a baby monitor. Before we continue, a quick disclaimer. This video is intended strictly for legal and ethical use such as home security, parental monitoring of minor children, pet monitoring, or monitoring your own property. Always inform people if they are being recorded in indoor spaces and make sure you comply with local privacy laws. Misuse of surveillance technology can be illegal and unethical, so use this information responsibly. To set this up, you only need two phones. The first is your old phone, which will act as the spy camera, and the second is your current phone, which you'll use to watch the live footage remotely. Both phones just need an internet connection, either Wi-Fi or mobile data. Download the free app Alfred Camera from the Play Store or App Store on both devices. After installing it, open the app on both phones and sign in using the same Google or Apple account so they can connect securely. On your old phone, select Camera Mode. This turns your device into the actual camera. On your main phone, select Viewer Mode, which allows you to monitor everything remotely. Within seconds, the two devices automatically connect and your old smartphone starts functioning as a DIY spy camera at home for free. There is no wiring, no complicated setup, and no technical skills required. Now, place the old phone wherever you want surveillance. You can position it near your main door, facing a balcony, inside a room, in a shop corner, or near valuables. If you want continuous monitoring, keep the phone plugged into a charger. For short-term use, the battery will work fine. As long as the phone has internet connection, you can watch the live feed from anywhere. The free setup offers surprisingly useful features. You can view live video in real time from your main phone, whether you're in another room or outside your house. The app also provides motion detection alerts, so whenever movement is detected, you instantly receive a notification. This means you don't have to constantly watch the screen to know if something is happening. Another powerful feature is two-way audio, which allows you to hear what is happening near the camera and also speak through the old phone remotely. This can be helpful for talking to family members, calming pets, or even warning someone if necessary.
Hey, who's that?
In low light conditions, the app includes a visibility enhancement feature that makes darker areas clearer. You can also remotely turn on the phone's flashlight or activate a siren if you need to draw attention. Additionally, short motion clips are automatically saved to the cloud, so even if you miss a live alert, you can review what happened later. While the free version has some limitations on video quality and storage, it's more than enough for basic home monitoring. This method is one of the easiest ways to create a DIY spy camera at home for free. You are simply repurposing a device you already own instead of investing in costly surveillance equipment. With just an old smartphone and a few minutes of setup, you can have a practical and reliable home security solution without spending anything. If it was helpful, please like the video and subscribe to Spiral. See you next time.